Hello, hello, hello mga Beshwa! Pupunta ba kayo ng Davao City soon? Ito ang 10 lugar na accessible sa city center at pwedeng-pwede nyong i-DIY. Ideal ito kung located ang inyong hotel sa Poblacion District. Dahil kung hindi walking distance ay one ride away lamang ang mga irerekomenda kong lugar sa vlog na ito. Kaya tama na ang hanas! Chika-chika na, let's go! Number 1 sa ating listahan ang San Pedro Metropolitan Cathedral, the oldest and one of the biggest church in Davao. Premier historical landmark in the city. Kung katulad kita na mahilig bumisita sa iba't ibang simbahan, hindi mo to dapat palagpasin. It's a walking distance from Rojas Night Market at nakakapukaw ng atensyon ang magandang disenyo ng simbahan na mahahalin tulad sa isang ark like Noah's Ark. Pangalawa naman natin ang The Bones Collector Museum. As the name implies, it's all about the bones, Ay, parang iba pala yan. At first, hesitant pa ako sa 250 entrance fee. But after the tour, mura pa pala yun dahil sa napakasulit naming experience. Sobrang interesting talaga ng kanilang mga featured animal bones from the land to the sea and the sky. Lahat yan, meron sila. Yun nga lang hindi pwedeng mag-video, picture-picture lang. Number 3, ang Museo Davaoenyo, because what's more interesting than to understand the places that you visit. Totally free ang pagbisita dito pero kahit libre, kompleto regalos pa rin sila sa pabaong kaalaman patungkol sa pinagmulan ng madayaw na probinsya ng Davao. Maliit lang ang museo na ito pero siksik ang inyong malalaman mula mismo sa kanilang mga locally trained na tour guides. At ang ating pang-apat ng The People's Park. Mukhang luma na ang mga structures pero agaw pansin ng madaming puno at malinis na paligid. Sobrang fresh ng hangin kaya hindi nakakahagard over sosa kahit mainit ang gala. Libre lang din ang pagpunta dito at pagtambay. Isa pa ulit na park ang panglima natin at walang iba yan kundi ang Magsaysay Park. It's one of the oldest parks in the city. Matatanaw dito ang dagat ng Davao at Samal Island. Maraming pwedeng gawin like strolling around, biking, skating, picnics, and just about spending good times with your loved ones. At syempre, bisitahin ang Kadayawan Tribal Village to learn more about the 11 tribes in Davao. Mas maganda kung napuntahan mo na ang Museo Davaoenyo para mas ma-appreciate mo kung para saan at sino ba sila. Sa harapan ng park, ang Magsaysay Fruit Stand naman where you can fill your nose and stomach of their pamosong prutas na durian. Ang anim na tayo mga beshiwap, huwag na kayong bumitaw. Number 6, ang Chinatown, which is just right across the Magsaysay Park. Although it's nowhere near the likes of Chinatown, in Binondo, Manila, I believe it's still worth the visit total, nandun na din naman. Number 7, ang SM Lanang. You may be thinking, why would you visit another SM? Common na yan. Well, it's one of the largest indoor mall in Mindanao and one of the largest shopping malls in Southeast Asia. Impressive ang luxurious structure nito that I haven't seen yet in other SM malls. Kaya don't forget SM Lanang on your list. Making it to number 8 is the Crocodile Park. With 350 pesos entrance fee, you will experience the first-hand, well-kept state-of-the-art establishment with a crocodile farming system. So far, it's the only zoo that I visited in the Philippines na well-maintained at healthy ang mga hayop. You went for a crocodile park, well, you will see lots of crocodiles lying, sleeping, playing around in their cage. Don't miss out on their daily Animal Got Talent show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. only, so make sure to plan your visit ahead. We are down to 2 mga beshiwap at ang ating number 9, of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang Rojas Night Market. Sobrang mura ng mga pagkain na patok sa mga dayuhan at lokal. You can spend 100 pesos or less for a meal here at busog ka na. Open sila every night pero best time to visit on weekdays. Triple ang dami ng tao kapag weekend based on our experience. And of course, our final item on the list, of course, you're gonna be looking for good restaurants in the city. I would recommend Densha's, Mandarin Tea Garden, Yellowfin Seafood and Restaurant dahil hindi pwedeng mawala ang food trip, mga beshiwap. So ilan lang yan sa mga nasubukan namin and I would recommend for you to try. And before we end this video, just a few things to remember. Malaking tulong si Maps as guide whether maglalakad or magsasakay kayo. Mura talaga ang pamasahe sa taxi kaya whenever we feel like it, nagtataxi na kami lalo na kung mainit ang panahon. Sinubukan din namin magbiyahe sa jeep, madaling mag-gets ang ruta nila kaya tourist-friendly option din ito. That's if you're comfortable to ask people directions kung ano ang best route to take sa inyong pupuntahan. And that's all for today's video mga beshiwap. I hope this Davao vlog helps you in the future. Thank you so much for watching.